What's good, what is good, my sizers? We are back again with another video, and today I will be showing you guys around the Orleans Casino. Now, something I really want to mention is that they do have a shuttle that takes you from the Orleans to the fashion show and Gold Coast. These are the times and days: Sunday through Thursday, it's noon to 10 p.m, Friday and Saturday, it's noon to midnight. However, these are only available for the people that are signed up with the Boyd Gaming. So all you need is a player's card and you are good to go, a-okay. And this is also a map of basically what routes they take. And it says it goes off every 30 minutes, but it does depend based off of the traffic. Now that that's out the way, let's talk about what happens when you first walk in. So when you first walk into the main entrance, you're greeted by 3 alligators playing musical instruments because this casino is based off of New Orleans. This casino does have a Keno section, though it is kind of small and kind of stuck in a corner, but I promise you it is there. Also, this is where the registration is. It is to the right once you first walk into the building. And then to the left of that is the bell desk and a little cafe that's closed because I came here at nighttime. They do have a box office and a showroom, and their showroom has a whopping 850 seats. Next to the showroom, though, is their ballroom and conference areas, but you have to take the escalator up for that. Yes, we did talk about that there is a shuttle available. However, we did not talk about where it is. I promise you that there is a banner that says shuttle pickup to the Strip and Gold Coast above certain doors of the Orleans Casino. But if you can't find that, then just ask an employee and they'll tell you which one it is. It is also right next to this Balawick restaurant. I don't know if I said that correctly, so please don't hold me against it. So if you find that restaurant, then it is right there, the shuttle doors. And if you're watching this video to hear news about their buffet, I hate to break the news to you, but their medley buffet is currently closed due to COVID. However, there used to be a buffet here. I am not sure when it will open, if it will reopen at that, but that is all the buffet information I have for you. Now, if you clicked on this video because you have children under 21 and don't know what to do, you're in luck, because not only does the Orleans Casino have a movie theater, but they also have an arcade and a daycare. That way you can just drop off your little kids. So first, when you go up these escalators, you're going to run into the arcade. And if you notice, Sugarloft is also the arcade that is at the South Point Casino. If you want to check that out, I have that linked up above and down below. Also, you can get your tickets from a machine. They have 2 spots for that. Or you could just go up to the lady in the box office over there. Kids Time is the daycare I was telling you guys about. It is for little children. I'm thinking 10 and younger at that. But you can drop them off at daycare and go gamble or go watch a movie, whatever your heart desires. Another hidden gem I love about the Orleans Casino is that they have a chocolate factory, but not just any chocolate factory. They have Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. That's right up there with the chocolates. But if you're not into that and you guys just want to do a nice little dinner, they do have Fridays here, although it is crowded on the weekend, so I would suggest getting there early for their dinner specials. Or if your kids are just out and about and want food, they can stop at the food court that the Orleans has on the first floor. They have Fuddruckers, pizza, Baskin Robbins, and Subway all available. And don't worry, because the food court also has seating. Even though this food court does look small, it does have seating, and it is right next to another bar. The Orleans is known to have a lot of mini bars just here and there, but it's also next to the poker room, across the way. So if you guys just want to grab a quick poker game or something while your kids eat, go for it. Also, one thing I want to mention about the poker room is that across the way from that is an opening, and in that opening is where the arena is. But if none of that is sparking your taste buds, don't worry, because right next to Fridays is Big Al's Oyster Bar. And moving right along next to it is their sports book. Honestly, their sports book looks a little cramped, but it still looks pretty spacious compared to other ones that we've seen. And if your kids aren't into watching a movie or an arcade, don't worry, because there is a bowling alley up here with a snack bar. These are the bowling alley days and hours. So Sunday through Thursday, it's 9 a.m. to midnight, and Friday and Saturday, it's 9 a.m. to 2 a.m. And for some reason, there's no outside music allowed for whatever reason. Don't really know what that's for. And then, of course, there's no outside food or beverages allowed either. So here's a little fun fact I just learned. Get ready to have your mind blown. The Orleans bowling alley has 70 bowling alleys available. I don't know, but to me, that doesn't even look like there's 70 there. My mind was blown. I couldn't wrap my head around it. But if you guys are down for bowling, here are the prices. Like any typical bowling alley in Vegas, it does go based off of age and whether or not you've served in the military. Now, if you're watching this video strictly for the gambling, fear not, especially if you're into table games, because look at all these table games. I came here on a weekend and at nighttime, but it still wasn't even that late. It was like maybe 5 o'clock. So, but look at all these table games that they have to offer, and I'm sure when it's like up and bussin', all the tables are alive. Also, here's another fun fact for you. There are 60 table games and 3,000 slot machines here at the Orleans. I don't know about you, but that sounds like a whole lot. And they also offer live music and entertainment. Or if you guys are more into the fancy schmancy dining, they do have a prime rib and some Asian cuisine available, along with a cafe, but this cafe was closed, but it might be open during the daytime. I didn't get a chance to look at the hours, but again, we were there like at dinner time, and cafes are usually lunch and breakfast. Also, here's another bar called the Alligator Bar. You can find the Alligator Bar and the Prime Rib Restaurant right next to all 60 of those table games that I was just showing you. And they also have a gift shop for your convenience. And that's all I have for you guys today. I'm clearly running out of time. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any other casinos I should do. And be sure to smash that subscribe button now that we're at it. Toodles!